Hello, my name is Beltran, sales coach and trainer with Become Your Best Consulting. Today's video is going to be on one of the biggest follow-up mistakes, and that is not making the follow-up call. The number one mistake in sales is sales professionals never picking up that phone and making that dial, never making that call. Let's talk a little bit further about this now. I'm going to organize my jobs. I'm going to make a couple of follow-up emails, and let me update my CRM really quick. Yes, sales professionals, you heard that correctly. Let me update my CRM. As sales professionals, we all know about the updating of the CRM. I got to put new statuses on my jobs. I got to put it where I'm at, and it takes time. But we would rather update the CRM than to make the follow-up call or to make the cold call. Either way, we're missing out on opportunities. Let's talk some stats here. The stats show, and you can research on Google, that 48% of salespeople never make the call, never ever pick up the phone and make that dial. This is a lead that came in, a prospect or a customer that's interested in product or services, but the sales rep never picks up the phone and makes that call. 48% of salespeople, that's almost half of the sales professionals, not picking up the phone and making that dial. That number is huge, everyone. Now let's move forward here. Let's talk another stat. All you have to do is pick up that telephone and make that dial, and you're already ahead of 48% of the sales professionals out in the world. Remember, in a couple of trainings, we talked about the stats that you could also look up on Google on how many dials it takes to reach a prospect or a customer. They say it takes 5 to 8 dials to even reach a prospect on the phone just to contact them. This is not talking product or service. This is just to contact them. That means multiple calls are key here. So not making one call and 48% of salespeople not doing it, there's a lot of missed opportunity for the sales professional that wants to make calls or could get good at making calls and pick up that phone and dial. First, it all starts with the mindset. You have to prepare yourself to make the call. There's going to be a lot of no's. There's going to be a lot of no's. Let me give you an example. Hello, this is Ralph. Click. Yes, I've been hung up on plenty of times. In over 30 years of sales, I've been hung up plenty of times. But that's okay, because after a lot of hang-ups, a lot of no's, there's yeses, and those are the customers you're looking for. So keep your mindset set on you're looking for the yeses. Get past the no's and look for the yeses. So once again, this is a video and a sales training that I made on one of the biggest follow-up mistakes, and that is not making the follow-up call. So once again, my name is Ralph Beltran, sales coach and trainer with Become Your Best Consulting. Thank you and bye.